Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer ink install video. Today we've got the HP Officejet Pro 6975, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the ink into this printer. So we're getting started right away. You see that there is something blocking the print head. That's just for protection. You're going to remove that. You're going to remove all the plastic from the ink cartridges, and then you're going to begin to install them, and we'll do that in just a moment. But briefly, I do want to mention that I will be leaving a link in the description below for some remanufactured versions of the ink for this printer. Now that's going to be less expensive for you. It's going to be the same quality. I have not had any issues using remanufactured ink over the years. And so you're really just going to be saving yourself some money. So I hope that that link ends up being a resource for you now and in the future to get yourself some inexpensive ink. Okay, so right away we are removing the plastic off of each of these ink cartridges. Now these are the setup ink cartridges. They're not going to come with a whole lot of ink. So if you just got this printer, you're going to want to have some extra ink on hand anyways. And if you haven't purchased some already, again, you're going to be able to get some for cheaper if you use the link in the description below. So you have 4 ink cartridges. You've got a black, yellow, cyan, and magenta. Those should all be in the package, and most likely you will have all of them. And again, removing all the plastic off of them. You want to get them prepped so that you can install them all one by one. It's really up to you though if you do it like this. But yeah, you do want to make sure, looking at it this way, there's going to be a K on it. And there's a copper piece that I pointed out right there, and then there's a foam piece at the top of the ink cartridge. And you're going to line up. You're going to make sure it's the same color first of all, and then you want the HP symbol and all of the reading to be facing you. So you should be able to read it right side up, holding it just like that. Sorry about the camera. And as soon as you have it like that, you can now stick it in there and line it up a little bit here. This port here in the print head is able to actually fit a larger ink cartridge, which is why I'm having a little bit of difficulty here. So that's why you're going to want to line it up right with that letter K. Right with the K, line it up with the K on the ink cartridge, and you should be fine. The rest of them are really easy because they just fit to the size. It's one size for these. And again, you're just putting it down in there, not like that. You're putting it right in the exact slot where it needs to go into. And then you want to make sure you hear a click. There's a at the bottom of the print head. There's a piece that kind of moves around. You're gonna want that to click into place, and then you can even kind of move the ink cartridge around to make sure that it's installed properly. And that's all there is to it, guys. I hope that this ended up being helpful to you. If it was, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope that this was simple for you to follow. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. And again, remember those links in the description below as resources for you. That's really all I have for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.